At the end of this video, you will learn exactly how to get started with Pantheon and create completely free website on Pantheon. So just stick to the video, and by the end of this video, you will learn exactly how to practice your WordPress website completely for free with Pantheon. So let's get started. Go to Google and type pantheon.io. Now this is the website from where you can create your account. So you can click on get started or maybe just this user icon. And now there are two ways to create your account. First one is connect with Google and the second one is login with email. So I'm going with the easy way, connect with Google. So you have to select the account. Now once it's done, this is the information you have to fill. Okay. Now this is the dashboard of Pantheon. It's loading, and here you can see the dashboard. This is site, sport, settings, home page, and this is help, and this is your profile. There is your user setting, then this is your dashboard. So now I'm going to create a workspace. Now what will be the professional workspace name? You have to add the name. So I will write Codivana. This is the startup that I'm going to launch. Here you can add invite 10 members to your workspace. So for now, I'm not adding anyone. Now when you go to home, this is the get started. I will close that, create a new site, and now here you can create your WordPress website. So just click on that and your WordPress website name, create site, confirm. Now it's loading, and once it's done, your website will be ready for practice purpose. Now you can see your website is completed. Now this is the dev site or dev admin. So I will go with dev admin. You can see this website is hosted by Sandbox. So continue, select the language, site name, and write Cody one. Okay, username, password. I will stick with that one. Email, install WordPress. Now you can see this is the password. If I want to again log in, I will do this, add this, and once. Now you can see this is a dashboard. So now here you can practice your WordPress website.